Okay, so kanina diniscuss natin kung paano kumuha ng mean ng discrete random variable. So ngayon naman, paano naman kapag variance and standard deviation na yung kailangan nating isolve. So here are the formulas, okay, to solve for the mean, variance, and SD. Again, to solve for mean, E of x is equal to the summation of the product of x and its corresponding probability, or summation of x, P of x. And variance naman, variance, so variance, this is denoted by sigma squared. Okay, so sigma po ito. Itong may 0, then may gitling sa taas. Okay, so sigma squared is equal to the summation of x minus mu squared, then multiply by P of x. Okay? Again, sigma squared is equal to the summation of the product of the square of x minus mu and P of x. Okay? So, ano po itong mu? Okay, so itong mu to, it is also the mean. Okay? So, mean lang din po ito. Yung E of x natin, ito lang din po yung mu natin. Okay? And next, so this is for the variance. So this is for the variance. And this is for the standard deviation. So standard deviation natin, kukunin lang natin ang square root nung variance. So ibig sabihin, kapag may nakuha ka ng value ni sigma squared, kunin mo lang ang square root, and kung ano yung makukuha mo doon, that is already your standard deviation. So again, E of x, summation of x, P of x, or ito na rin yung mu natin, sigma squared or the variance is equal to summation of the quantity x minus mu squared multiplied by P of x. And standard deviation, just simply get the square root. Okay, so for example, the number of cars sold per day at local car dealership, along with its corresponding probabilities, is shown in the succeeding table. Compute the variance and the standard deviation of the probability distribution. Okay, so we let x be the number of cars sold. So the values of x are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, ito na yung given natin. And yung probability naman ay given na rin. So, that is 1 over 10. So, the probability of x is equal to 1 is 2 over 10. Okay. Then, 3 over 10. 2 over 10. And 2 over 10. Okay, so given na po ito. So kapag magsosolve tayo ng mean, variance, and SD, given si x at yung probability. Okay, so ngayon, gagawa tayo ulit ng table. Paano ba natin malalaman kung ano-ano ba yung meron sa table? Okay, so check nyo yung formula. So ito yung formula natin para mahanap si mean, variance, and SD. So to find the mean, kailangan natin ng x. So ito na to, meron na po. Kailangan natin ng P of x, given na rin. So, kailangan din natin ng product ni x and its given probability. Okay? So, kaya meron tayo ditong x, P of x, or the product of x and its probability. Okay, so to solve for the variance, para makuha yung variance, kailangan natin dito ng x minus mu, or x minus mean. So, meron tayong column for x minus mean. And meron din tayo ditong x minus mean squared. So, kailangan din natin ng column for x minus mu squared or mean squared. And yung product ni x minus mu squared at ni probability or ni P of x. So, meron din tayo dapat column for x minus mu squared multiply by P of x. Okay? So, ito yung kailangan natin sa table to solve for the mean, variance, and standard deviation. Again, first step, multiply natin si x and si P of x. So, 0 multiplied by 1 over 10, so that is equal to 0. 1 multiplied by 2 over 10, that is 2 over 10. 2 multiplied by 3 over 10, so that is equal to 6 over 10. 3 multiplied by 2 over 10, this is also equal to 6 over 10. And 4 multiplied by 2 over 10 is equal to 8 over 10. Okay, so next, x minus mean. X minus mu. So, meron tayong given value ni x. How about the value of our mean or mu? So, wala pa po tayong value ni mean. So, ibig sabihin, ito muna yung kailangan nating hanapin. Kailangan hanapin yung value ni mu or ni mean o ni e of x. Again, yung mean natin, mean mu ay equal lang din kay e of x. Iisa lang po yung tatlong yan. Mean, mu, then e of x. So, yun muna yung isosolve natin. Again, to solve for e of x, okay, so just simply add, so again, e of x is equal to the summation of x, p of x. So, that is equal to, add lang natin lahat ng to. So, 0 plus 2 over 10 plus 6 over 10 plus 6 over 10 then plus 8 over 10. Okay, and that is equal to, so, similar fraction, copy the denominator, which is 10. So, add the numerator. 2 plus 6 is 8, plus 6 is 14, plus 8 is 22. Okay? So, express this in decimal. So, 22 over 10, that is 2.2. So, ang value ng e of x natin, or yung value ng mu or mean natin is 2.2. Okay, guys? Kapag kinukuha nyo na yung final answer or final answers will be e of x, sigma squared, and sigma. Okay, or yung mean, variance, and SD, yun yung magsisilbing final answer nyo. Kapag final answer ang kinukuha, round off. Always round off your final answer into 2 decimal places. Okay, so 2 decimal places. So 2.2 or 2.20, same lang naman yon. Again, 2 decimal places po tayo. Okay, so meron na tayong value ni e of x or yung mu natin. So ngayon, x minus mu, masosolve na natin yung column na to. So 0 yung value ni x minus, again, x minus mu. Ito yung magsisilbing formula natin ngayon para sa column na to. So 0 yung value ni x minus yung value ng mean natin, which is 2.2. So 0 minus, kung hindi sure, mag-calcu, 2.2. So that is equal to negative 2.2. Ayos, again, negative 2.2. Okay? So next, x minus mu squared. So, para hindi tayo paulit-ulit na mag-i-input sa calcu, pwede tayong magdiretso ng per row. Okay? So, negative 2.2. So, i-square mo lang siya dito. So, answer, then squared. So, the answer is, ayan, so decimal tayo ha, 4.84. Okay? So, next, etong x minus mu squared, imumultiply mo kay p of x. So, etong x minus mu squared mo, ay imumultiply mo lang kay p of x or yung probability. Okay? So, etong 4.84, so answer ulit, multiply by yung probability natin, which is 1 over 10. 1 over 10, and the answer is 0.484. So, 0.484. Okay. So, kanina sabi ko, kapag final answer, always round off into 2 decimal places. So, ngayon naman, kapag nasa process ka pa lang, okay, again, pag nasa process ka pa lang ng pagsosolve, hindi mo pwedeng i-round off. Okay, so kung 4 decimal yan, decimal places, then 4 decimal places yung ilalagay mo dito. Okay, kung 5 decimal places yan or 6 decimal places yan, yun din ang ilalagay mo dito. Again, kapag nasa process ka pa lang ng pagsosolve, hindi mo pwedeng i-round off. So, next. Next is x minus mu ulit. X natin is 1. Ang mean natin, okay, again, ang mean natin or yung e of x natin ay 2.2. So, 1 minus 2.2. 1 minus 2.2. So, that is equal to negative 1.2. Okay, so dito na tayo sa next column. So, squared mo lang siya. So, answer, then squared. And that is equal to 1.44. Okay, so 1.44. Okay, so next. Itong x minus mu squared mo, imumultiply mo lang kay p of x. Again, yung formula na sinusundan ko, itong nasa taas. Okay? So, x minus mu squared, imumultiply mo kay p of x. Ang p of x mo dito ay, ayan. So, 1.44 multiply by 2 over 10. So, answer tayo, then multiply by 2 over 10. So, the answer is 0.288. 0.288. Okay, so next. Next row na tayo. So, x natin is 2. Again, yung mu natin ay 2.2. Ito yung na-solve natin kanina. Again, yung mu natin ay 2.2 or yung e of x or mu ay isa lang po, ha? So, 2 minus, yung value ng x natin ay 2. Yung value ng mu natin ay 2.2. And that is equal to, ayan, so, negative 0.2. Okay? Itong negative 0.2 natin, diretso nyo na sa calcu, pindot ang answer, pindot ang squared. And the answer is 0.04. Okay? So, proceed tayo sa next column agad-agad. So, diretso tayo sa calcu. So, this 0.04, imumultiply natin. So, pindot ulit si answer. Then, multiply by yung probability nito. Okay? So, yung probability nito is 3 over 10. So, that is 3 over 10. Okay? So, and that is equal to 0.012. So, 0.012. Okay? So, next. Next row na tayo. So, 3 minus, so 3 yung value ni x. 3 minus, value ni mean natin, again, 2.2. Yun yung na-solve natin kanina, 2.2. And that is equal to 0.8. So, that is equal to 0.8. Direct na natin, pindot si squared. And the answer will be 0.64. After nito, itong 0.64, imumultiply mo kay probability. Okay? So, kay probability, which is 2 over 10. Okay? So, multiply by 2 over 10. And that is equal to 0.128. So, 0.128. And for the last row, so the value of x is 4 minus ang value ng mu natin, which is 2.2. That is equal to 1.8. Then after that, pindot ulit si squared. Okay, so that is equal to 3.24. Then this 3.24 multiply by the probability or p of x natin. Okay, so yung 3.24 multiply by our probability, which is 2 over 10. Okay? So again, itong x minus mu squared ay imumultiply mo kay p of x. So, x minus mu squared, imumultiply kay p of x. And that is equal to 0.648. So, 0.648. Okay? Okay, so ngayon makukuha na natin yung value ni variance. Again, to solve for variance, the formula is sigma squared is equal to the summation of the product of x minus mu squared and p of x. So, pag addin mo lang lahat, itong x minus mu squared multiply by p of x. Okay? So, that is equal to 0.484 then plus 0.288 plus 0.012 plus 0.128 plus 0.648. Okay? And that is equal to 0.484 plus 0.288 plus 0.012 plus 128,648 is equal to 1.56. Okay? So, yung value ng ating sigma squared is 1.56. Okay, so again, kapag final answer to decimal places tayo lagi. Okay, so next, to solve for the sigma or standard deviation. Again, para makuha ang standard deviation, just simply get the square root of so, kukunin mo lang yung square root nitong variance. Again, kukunin mo lang yung square root nitong variance. So, direct lang tayo ulit sa calcu. So, pindutin ang square root. Pindutin yung answer. Okay? And that is equal to 1.2489996. Again, round off into 2 decimal places and that will become 1 point. Okay, so 1.25. Okay. So, our mean is 2.2. Ang variance natin ay 1.56 and ang standard deviation natin is 1.25. So, again, ito yung table and ito na yung final answer natin.